wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Yo, I could have one no. A long time when I said that then. I'm a 10. Yo, so they probably said the last vlog the short, but yo, guess what? You see, me I go Nisha go to know, so it's like me come in like what 4 or 5, and then me come kick it back with Nyla, and then when time Nisha come in, then Nisha kind of take over, then me go sleep, and then Nisha kind of stay with Nyla to sleep, you see me? So we don't get to do nothing enough, you see me? Or what? But probably on the Friday, Saturday, then we can find something to deal with. At the same time, we have some little things to deal with. You see me? Which is some update on the same speed. I'm gonna pick my nose. Anyway, but yeah. So we come in, Mike stay with Nyla for today. Watch him. You see me? Mike stay with Nyla. You see me? And so me come in and there. Just I do little laundry. Wash out my work clothes them for tomorrow, even though tomorrow Friday. And then I go give her a quick shower. You see me? Cause Mike said she sleep already in a little yesterday, you see me? So I give her a quick shower. And then we just chill for the rest of the day. You see me? Right? 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 Yeah. Why are you so close? Get out the camera! Get off the camera! Get off the camera! But yeah. But just go on, just work with it for now. Cause it's like all of this kinda new to, well, me and Nisha, isn't it? Cause normally you don't know. Me normally out there and Nisha we there. You see pre and go and do fear part while me out there I do the work. You see me? And I'm gonna say this again and again. You see me? Watch your head, mama. Watch your head. I've heard like people say like yo like oh Canada whatever like they would want to come to Canada, yeah? Canada, so if you come to Canada, you have to have a mindset or the mentality where you come to say, yo, you can work. Or, well, I'm going to say, you see, if you want to come to say enjoyment, the visit, like, you just come, visit, spend a little time. Even if you come and can do one little hustling on the side and make a piece of food and then go on back, like, you'd have proper feel, trust me. Like, you see, if you're not live here, so I have to pay bills and them sitting there like, very nice. I can't tell you. If you don't have to worry about bills, phone bill, rent, car, all of this very nice. Because you can come, do little hustling on the side and make a piece of food, which is, you can live your same way and it place nice, but like if mother say somebody will go come and live plus somebody will go come and visit, like visit, mother say visit, if somebody will go visit with a lot like more, you see me? Because yo, it's when you have to get up 4 o'clock, yo bro. Well for me, cause I have to get up like 4 o'clock. Yo, me say one Sunday the right, that's so. I almost bust made on the lift today, because I go up on it and they're over the ceiling, but I couldn't reach, so I try to reach. So I have to climb up on it and then I have to take off my helmet, because the helmet couldn't hold 3 places. And you know, HVAC we do, so we are trying to put up some duct in the ceiling, so we have to do all above, like the plumber them pipe, electrical wire them. One whole person say it's like up there tight, so I have to take off the helmet as me go up, me lick up and you can like all a bus. But that's what I say. Work wise, it take whole heap. Because what I said before, so my time if you get up and I not feel like going away. But it's like you don't know you have to do what you have to do, so you have to go out there. But I talk about it what you say, yo. either feel come here and live or visit and go back and can work. Me rather work, come do some work on the side, go back, or come and work for 6-7 months and go back. You see me? Like every time when time I get cold, like I just work and go back. Nice. You see me? Because then you know if you do the whole cold part, and that to me that the worst part. I hope this a place a cold part. You see, pre. But anyway, we're there. We still give thanks for there. You see me? Because opportunity there. You see me? I wouldn't tell a man say you not travel or not make nobody care come at them place or dancing. You see me? If you get the opportunity, you take it. You see me? And you just pay respect to who make you there. In every way possible. No use nobody if you come back because you know nobody using it. You see me? So if you're not there them place, you just push out. You see me? Find a work. And once you work and save, now come back and come flaunt. That's what you make and tell someone. Because me someone say, oh like I just Gucci this and that. And I say bro like the pan them thing is still in the blood. It's like me don't want like me want stuff, me can buy me stuff them like nice. Cause me want nice clothes and nice things same way. But at the same time, you have to monitor your thing in a one way, isn't me? You have to spend but you have to save, cause you know say rainy days are coming. Rainy days are coming. When rainy days come, all of your money go done. Okay, let's go take a shower. Let's go take a shower. Let's go take the shower. Woo-hoo. Let's go take the shower.
That's why she said, oh my god.
Careful.
She's up here, mommy. She's not up
Careful. All done. Say. What do you say? All done. No? You not say? All done. Say. Say. All done. No? Say all done. Okay. She won't say. You won't say. All done. Hmm?
What?
Hmm? What's your picture? Hello.
No more.
Nada.
Aren't you gonna work?
Sure.
So yo, people, I am tired and I got work tomorrow. Z got work tomorrow. I don't even know. It's kind of early. But anyways, my room is a disaster. Whole house is a disaster because remember when we told you guys we had a little like, you know, not really a surprise. It's not really a surprise because you guys don't really benefit from it. But right now, boxes is everywhere, bins are everywhere, clothes is everywhere because we are moving. My eyes look so naked because I took my lashes off, and guys, I literally, when I look at myself, I'm like, holy crap. But anyways, yeah, so we're moving. We are freaking finally moving. We bought a house. That was the next exciting news that we had. We just came together and just bought a house, and you know, eventually we'll all like branch off and stuff like that. The way how the market is set up right now, it's crazy. There is so much to buying a house. It's not literally you just get up and buy a house. There's a lot to it. Yeah, so we just came together, we bought a house. So we're in the process of moving, so everything is literally all over the place. It's so messy. I have try-on hauls that I want to do, and I can't even do them because there's literally boxes everywhere. If I show you guys my room right now, you guys would be like, literally. We're just here today. It's Sunday night, so we're trying to like do some laundry, quick to wash like our work clothes. I'm about to have some dinner. I was just downstairs packing up some stuff, and then I'm like, yo, why am I not vlogging? I should be vlogging all this moment, you know, because I want this to look back later. That's the one thing I love about vlogging. When you vlog, It's like memories, you know, memories for myself to look back at later. Just like how sometimes me and Ziggy will sit and watch our YouTube videos, like back in the days when we first met, and all the Jamaica vlogs. And then you have Nyla, and then we just sit there, we're just like, holy, like, coming from far. So I want to send a big shout out to everyone who is sponsoring my cause right now. By the time this vlog even goes up, even if you thought or want to contribute to it, like, it's gonna be too late. I made a post on my Instagram for because I was trying to raise money to buy some tablets to send back home for the kids in Ziggy's community, our community, because I was talking to Polly and I noticed that some people are some of the kids are kind of struggling right now when it comes to finding resources such as having a computer or tablet or something to do their schoolwork or do like their Zoom calls. So I said, you know what, let me see if I can raise some money to get some tablets and send them back home. And this is how you guys know God is good. So anyways, I went on Amazon and I was looking at some tablets. I'm looking at the prices and I'm like, damn, like how am I gonna be able to at least buy 5 of these? So then I saw like these tablets, they were like $69.99, and I'm like doing research to see if they can go on the Wi-Fi, internet, and Zoom, because that is the main purpose of the tablets. I don't care if they can download games, that's not the purpose. So anyways, in the morning I found a tablet. I made my post, found a tablet, and I'm like, hopefully, you know, I can get 5. My goal was to get 5 tablets. Then later on in the evening or around lunchtime, someone messaged me and said, oh, like, how much are the tablets? So then I went back on Amazon to check, and the freaking tablets dropped from $70 to $50. So it was like $69.99 and it dropped to $49.99. It was a limited time deal, and I'm like, yo, is this God right now? Is this God? So anyways, my goal was to get 5 tablets, and I got 10 freaking tablets, and people are still reaching out to me right now because they want to send more tablets. But I said, the person that's bringing them down, I don't want to overload them. So I mean, 10 is still a lot. That's still a start. The only thing is that I wanted to give these tablets to 10 kids, but my dad brought up a point, and he was saying how I should be careful, because what if I send these tablets down because they're new, and you know, like the parents might take it and sell it, or you know, the kids try to sell it. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to keep the tablets at Polly's house. We're trying to still figure it out, but I think the best thing to do right now is to keep the tablets at Polly's house. The kids can come and use it. We're not gonna charge them to use it. They come there if they have their Zoom class. Either they can bring it back home, because these are kids that live like in their area is really small. Either they bring it home and use their internet at their house, they bring it back, or if they don't have internet, they can use internet at Polly's house, stay there, do their Zoom class, any research, whatever, and they leave the tablets there. And at the end of the year, the kids with the highest marks, we're gonna give them away for free. I think this is the best way to do this, because I just feel like, one, we know that the tablets are actually going to be used for educational purpose, and 2, I don't want them to see this and think of it as an opportunity to go and make money or to sell it or whatever. Like, you know how some people of mine are. I just really want them to focus on their school, and I feel like this is the best way of doing that. So I guess Polly would kind of have like her home internet cafe. I haven't even, like, I kind of run the idea by her, and she did say yes, she was down for it, you know, because whenever it comes to the kids, like Polly, Ziggy's whole family, they're always about helping the kids. So I'm really happy that we came together and we did this. Shout out to everyone who contributed. Shout out to everyone who sent the tablets to me. Big up your guys' self. And yo, a big shout out to everyone who's always supporting us. We started our video them like, what, I think 5 years now. And to know that it's still continuing on, even with the whole COVID and everything, like, that's big, because this is something that I started, and I said I want to make sure that it just keeps going on until I don't know how many years later. But yeah, I talk a lot, eh? I feel like I just rambled for literally 6 minutes. That's not good. What's up? You can look buff up.
If you know a better idea, everything done, and can give a look at idea, see like what we're supposed to do with the end and everything. Like, even
if you have a better idea than what I'm saying right now, let me know, because I'm always open to suggestions. Like I said, this came up so last minute, and I just want to make sure that it's going for the right purpose. Like, I just feel like kids shouldn't have to be struggling to find ways to do their Zoom calls. They shouldn't be using phones, because I know like a lot of kids out there don't have like iPhone 12 where it's the quality is like clear, or they don't have like iMacs or like the updated computer, you know. So yeah, because even Polly was saying how people have to rent, parents have to rent They have to pay to rent to use the electronics.
You know what I say? What I say is, you see, before they even come out to the idea, say homeschooling.
Yeah.
They should have like see and know who really have.
They should have thought about the other,
before they just throw it past them, because really for poor people.
Or what they could have done is, there's a lot of internet cafes in communities, like even donate 2-3 computers and be like, this is for this, and don't charge the kids. I feel like when you charging people when it comes to educational purpose, like, it limits them, it limits people. And what if people can't afford that? Some people can't even afford to give their kids a haircut, and this is like stuff I've seen. And then suppose that's the little money a lot of people aren't working during COVID right now, so why are we gonna put that extra stress on parents? As I don't know who out there, the higher heads, but they need to figure out something. And I mean, if I can send more tablets, I will send it, because right now I see a lot of people in their community are doing this. They're turning their homes into cafes, and I rate that and I respect that. So if this is what we gotta do to help these kids, and I mean, if I send these 10 tablets right now and it goes really good, and I feel like if I hear good feedback, I will do what I gotta do to send more. Another thing is, we are gonna be, some people were offering to help cover Polly's phone internet bill if the kids are gonna be staying there. But like I said, I'll update you guys and let you guys know how the first run goes, because we're still trying to organize stuff. Yeah, holy crap, I literally just sat here and rambled on for 8 minutes and 30 seconds. But yeah,
dirty boy, them big old artists, them there Jamaica, having money they waste, and for them go take care of the youth, them
right? I think I just seen Shensia bought over 100 tablets.
Big up Shensia.
Yeah, and she's giving them out. So like, honestly, that's I'm not gonna lie, I literally got motivated from her, and I think that's amazing. You guys already know, when it comes to the youth, for the kids, then we're all about helping them. I love the little kids out there, to be honest, and like I said, I'm fortunate to be able to access to, you know, certain stuff and not be limited to certain stuff. So if I can help another child, because, you know, education is key, it's really important. So yeah, if anyone wants to help in any way or have any suggestions, just either email me or comment down below. I know some people don't really feel comfortable commenting, so you can definitely email me. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and eat my dinner, and yeah, oh yeah, and I'll fill you guys in more with the whole house thing, because I have videos, we're doing renovations, so you guys are gonna see a lot, so you guys can look out for those vlogs as well. I'm actually really excited, to be honest. So God is really good. God is good. So guys, the vlog is literally ending right here. I know we kind of like threw a lot of stuff in this vlog, but I got some stuff to do, and I gotta like pack and all this stuff. So in the next vlog, I'll update you guys on the iPads and like show you guys, I mean not iPads, sorry, the tablets, and show you guys the one that I got. I'm still waiting on, I think, 2 or 3 more to come. So once I get once I get them, I'll update you guys and like show you guys what's going on, because I like to, you know, show you guys, let you guys know what's up. Before I end this vlog, so I want to send a big shout out to the Scott Family 8. They are located in Canada, so they're Canada family vloggers. I've shouted them out before. They're friends of the Newbie family, so I want you guys to go over and check their channel out, subscribe to them, join them, help them grow. They're a really chill family. The wife is pregnant, and she's due anytime now, so you know, go over there and show them some love, show them some support Black YouTubers. I'm sorry, I say this anytime I'm doing a shout out, but support Black YouTubers, support Black businesses. Yeah, they do like vlogs, they do challenges. Yeah, okay, hold on, okay. Yeah, so I was saying, they do vlogs, they do a lot of different challenges. They're really funny. Her husband is super funny. Yeah, so just go over, comment, let them know that Newbie Fam sent you guys over there. And like I said, they're really trying to grow, so let's help them reach their goal, you know what I'm saying. Until next time guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as per usual, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You're alone, been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.